Wanted to share a quick demo of this app I built on Friday. So at the Mighty Mo, we have a lot of clients, and I'm CEO. And a lot of times it's hard for me to get a high level picture of what's going on at any given time. Let's call it the 30,000 feet view. The view from way up high. I don't need to know details. I just kind of need to know when stuff is stuck, what the status is, and when I need to jump in and escalate, perhaps. And that could be an escalation internally with and just kind of touch base with them. So I built this database, and when I say I built it, I uh, AI coded it. So I used Lovable to develop the interface initially for like the prototype, and then I brought it over to Claude's. I'm sorry, brought it over to Cursor, the GUI, to build it. At a high level, it just keeps track of projects that we're working on, and it has these drag and drop tools. And this is totally arbitrary. I can drag this in whatever direction. I can put these in any order I want. It is being stored in a database, and I can edit everything in line. So I can edit that. I can add. There's a blocker. I can say waiting for approval from client. I can put whatever I want in here for the most part. There are some defined statuses. So if this is currently blocked, but maybe it's internal review. I can also like change this. This is just arbitrary again, just based on like how I'm feeling about the current status. In terms of like, are we close? Are we not close? I can say, Julie contacted client on February 24th. So, I can write whatever I want in here. And the goal isn't to get everything perfect, but again, it's just to get me as the CEO of the agency more insight or more a bigger, better grasp of what's happening. It also has some nice searches. Let's say I just wanted to, you can search for anything in here, and it just pulls from the title currently. Um, you can these are all filters. You can filter by stages and statuses, by who owns what. You can filter by clients, and then there's this blocked button. So we can just look at everything that's currently blocked, and then you can sort stuff. So it's currently custom sort order, but I can sort by the last updated, the progress status, and you can flip these around. And so lots of options here. I tend to go with the custom right now. It also has, you can easily add new projects here. It's super easy. But I mainly wanted to show this as what can be done right now with AI in really an afternoon. I was actually quite impressed because I previously tried to build a project manager using AI. Started about a year and a half ago, and then after about 6 months or 8 months, I just kind of stopped because it was um, the tooling wasn't quite there yet for me, and I should add another problem with what I was because AI tooling is not good with WordPress at present. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Would love to hear any thoughts or ideas you have, or if you're inspired to build anything of your own, or maybe you built something similar. I'd be love to see what you built. Thanks.